again, Pani Vlog. Gumawa ako ng dalawang klaseng eyeshadows, which is hinati ko siya. Dito is rainbow at dito naman is sunset. Of course, I'm done with my foundation. Ito yung ginamit. This one, my concealer, natural bronzer. Yan yung ginilagay ko dito para hindi siya masyadong maputi yung face ko. And then with my eyebrows and my nose line, highlight contour, ito yung ginamit ko. Ayan, this color. But of course, I will be using this palette, Morphe James. So let's start, guys. I will start at the top. Mag-start ako dito sa top ng yellow. Mix ko lang silang dalawa para hindi masyadong dark, hindi din light. Next dalawa. Yan. At ilalagay ko siya dito. Light and dark purple. Dito. I love the color talaga. So, I will be working on this side na siya. So, this side is ito yung gagamitin ko. I-mix ko siya together. And blend it. red, yellow, orange for my sunset. That's why blue is like a sky. It's blue and there's a rainbow. And this one naman is the sunset. Yung reflect talaga ng sunset. Yung kulay na red, orange, and yellow na nag-mix siya. So that's why ito yung nilagay ko dito. This color. Be using this. So, pang-highlight siya. Gawin ko siyang pang-highlight. So, first is I will use this color. I don't know what color is it. Yeah, may pagka-bloom siya. I think magmamatch siya sa aking sunset. So, I will put it here first. So, next is this, parang silver siya. Yeah, may pagka-silver. So, ayan, kaya ito yung gagamitin ko para sa aking rainbow highlight. Itong illuminating. I will use this naman. Like fresh. Nagla-light yung skin mo. Then, and mix them. Nagawa ko na yung dapat kong gawin. So, ayan guys, I'm done. I'm done. So, ito na yung aking eyeshadow, which is inspired of sunset at saka yung aking rainbow. Rainbow, ayan. Sana nagustuhan yung ginawa ko, which is yung rainbow and sunset. Naisip ko lang siyang gawin. And then, ayan, if may gusto kayong paggawa sa akin, just comment down below para magawa ko siya. At isa-shoutout ko po yung magre-request. And what else? Of course, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell pag gusto niyo, kung nagustuhan niyo yung aking channel, if ever gusto niyo yung channel ko, para ma-notify kayo if ever may bago akong video na i-upload. Ayan, and please don't forget to likes and like and share. Ayan, thank you so much for watching, guys.